After authoring the content for an exam item or passage, you can then assign references to it. You can either assign approved library references or reference notes. For our demonstration, I'll assign references to a single selection multiple choice item. To do this, we're going to navigate to the References tab for that item. As we see in the new reference section, we have the ability to assign an approved reference or a reference note. To assign an approved reference, we're going to click the radio button. The reference field now becomes enabled. Selecting that drop-down will give us a list of all the approved references. Clicking an item in that list will populate the reference field. To add an optional custom citation to the reference, click the Binoculars button. The Enter Citation dialog box will open. The required fields for a citation are defined when an approved reference is created and can vary from one reference to another. But let's fill the required fields for this citation. Clicking OK will populate the citation field. For more information on creating and managing the references and reference library, please see Managing the Reference Library under the Data Management section of this help document. Clicking the Add Reference will move the approved reference from the New Reference section to the Existing References section. To enter a reference note, which the reference librarian may later use to create a new approved reference, click the Reference Notes radio button. This will activate the Notes and Attachment field. Enter a reference note. To add an optional attachment to your note, click the Binoculars button. Then you can browse your local or network drive for a file to upload. As we see, you can upload a JPEG, a GIF, a PNG, a BMP, or a PDF file. Selecting My Home file will populate that attachment field. Again, we're going to want to click Add Reference to move this new reference to our existing references section. You may add additional approved references or reference notes as needed. Finally, it's important to note that none of these reference assignments will be committed to the item until the Save button is selected. This concludes the video on assigning classifications.